What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Dev, and today we are back with another POV drive. As y'all can see by the little marks, we at my spot, man. So before we get on the road, y'all know I'm gonna get a little busy, man. So I ain't gonna hold y'all too long. Let's look at the car real quick, and we're gonna get straight into the action. Know what I mean? Hey, that been look good though. Alright, for sure. Enough talking. Time for the fun stuff. Yo. Alright, YouTube. We in the car now, man. It's a little toasty in this bit. Had to get everything set up. But we got the other phone with us today, so we low-key, we jamming out on this ride. This video probably gonna get copyrighted, but I don't care, bro. I just want y'all to really see what I be doing in the Camaro, man. We gonna have some fun. Let's play some music, man. Fuck it. Can't do nothing with these gloves on. All right, we a one glove bandit today, man. Yo.
I got the trap boom. I mean, a big swing. I got to be sold up. Need the block. Need the block.
I ain't gonna lie, I seen the other cars there looking, man, and they be quick to call the police, so we had to skedaddle. Let's put that traction back on, buddy. All right, where are we going? And roll the window. What's up? Alright, what's good, y'all, man? This is really what it's like having a Camaro, bro. Like, you really have fun. You can have fun in your car at any moment, bro. The only problem is it's the car community now. The car community has turned the fun, they make it dangerous, man. So now everybody just view you as a horrible person instead of just somebody who enjoys their car. But yeah, man, one thing about me, I know they're gonna think whatever they think about me regardless, cause yeah, so they ain't stopping Nathaniel. I'ma still do me. Hey, y'all should do y'all too, bro. Just be yourself, man. You like your car, man, enjoy that. Well, nobody stop you from enjoying it. Bro, you pay dumb ass bread a month to have a car like this. Well, I only pay $450. But I know it's people that pay $6, $7, $8, $9, $10, $100 a month. Just for they scat, they Camaro, they Mustang. I know some homeboys that's paying $500 for they to be in a V6, but it's what makes them happy, bro. So don't, you know what I'm saying? Minimize your happiness, cause the world hating on you right now. Pop your shit, twin. Pop your shit. You worked hard for it. Enjoy every moment of that bit, cause one day you're not gonna have this car. One day I'm not gonna have this car. I'm gonna have some kids one day, hopefully, God willing, down the road. And I can't have no wife and kid in this car, cause I don't got no seat. So where my wife gonna sit? Sheesh, not happening. So all the fun is temporary. You ain't gotta grow up. You can't be doing this car stuff forever. It's low key. It's dangerous. It's just more to it. Like, it get boring. The legal pits and stuff, after you go to about like 3 of them, man, That's it, bro. You've been to all of them. There's literally no difference in none of them. You see a little Hellcat. You gonna see a Scat Pack. You gonna see fins. That's pretty much it, bro. Every legal pit. Get lucky, you see a Mustang and a Vet come through. A little 300 with a swap. But it's really not that different, man. Watching cars go in a circle. It is fun, though, your first couple times out there. Then when you hop in the pit and your fear go away and you actually get busy, man, be crazy. Now, I'm finna shut up, though. I'm just driving and talking to y'all right now because we going past the schools and stuff, and I know it be hella cops. So we just gonna vibe. As soon as we get past this little area, though, big rock, see. Bro, I'm in this joint sweating. Let's cut the music on. Hey, y'all, man, listen, bro. I'm finna put y'all on to my brother. This is my brother, like, brother. Like, we grew up together. I know this man since I was, 4. Bro, this man the hardest rapper I know, bro. We finna, what? Finna tap in. Let's get right. Like, this my brother. Like, I can call this nigga right now. They play my song inside the trenches.
Yes, they saying that I'm him.
GYM.
I've been pushing pounds outside the fucking gym. If you ain't never stick around, then you can't be my synonym. It's hella bars inside my circle. I ain't think of Eminem.
How the fuck they play the left when I just kept it real with them? Paper long gon' keep me solid.
I ain't never let it dim, so I'ma
Blow
blow
on perfect timing.
Show these niggas that I'm him. I ain't worried about no miss. My shooter but a rim.
I ain't claiming no religion.
When you tuned in with the Lord,
All you gotta do is listen. Let your spirit take the wheel, and it's gonna have your body lifted. Every day my life on the line. All you gotta do is listen.
right this way they call us
Muffin man, we baking nigga biscuits.
I can merge for like 3 days straight.
Oh, the op block fishing.
Next thing you know, you turn on the news, they say I op got missing.
And I could merch it on the clear. Back then,
I was really spinning.
truth be told, I don't really smile, but sometimes you might see me grinning.
Fuck all them niggas from that other side over here, we really winning. Until lost is just a win, but over time we stood on business.
I was they play my song inside the trenches, and they saying that on him. GYM, I be pushing sounds outside the fucking gym. If you ain't never stick around, then you can't be my synonym. I'ma blow on perfect timing, show these niggas that I'm him.
Just show these niggas that I'm him, nigga. Nigga,
I
that
just-
money music, nigga.
Bro, I just stalled, man. Bro, I ain't gonna lie, this manual, bro, it's always something, man. It's literally, oh, whoa! Whoa! Bro, yeah, bro, with this manual, bro, I'm not gonna lie, it's always something, bro. Every time I feel comfortable and confident in my driving skill, bro, I stall, bro. Then I be going to feel back like a bot, bro. But yeah, bro, that's my brother, bro. His music tough, bro. Y'all type in, bro. WBF, whatever, man. I'm gonna put that bit right there at the bottom of the screen. Y'all type in. Back to the POV though. Shit. What else we got today? I'm gonna let y'all hear this bit a little bit. Dang, bro, I keep getting every red light. Bro, I can't even wall out for real, man. I ain't gonna lie, I'm finna take y'all through the cut. No cap, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know what the heck happened to. Well, I do know what happened. My phone overheated. Like I said, it be toasty in this bit. But yeah, bro, y'all missed it, bro. I was just talking to an old man in traffic. I'm gonna tell you, it was an old white man, but he was telling me about his Camaro. He said he had a Gen 4 SuperSport SS just like me. But that's my favorite thing about having a car, bro. The people that it connect you with, bro. The white people that y'all feel like is the most racist white people in the world, bro. They'll be approaching you just to talk about your car, man. I be at the gas station, bro. A white man that looked like he would've, you know what I'm saying, did me bogus back in the day. Walk up on me quick. I'd be nervous. Like, hey, young man, I love your car. How you do it? How you have this car at such a young age? I didn't get my Camaro till I was like 45, man. And you know, y'all just start talking about cars and stuff. Then the next thing you know, he telling you, hey man, listen, what you got in your hands is powerful. And the way this world is right now, man, they out to get people that look like you and have good things going for them. You like, what? This old white guy? Bruh, cause they people too, man. They people too. This car stuff really brings people together. It's just, I don't know. Social media only shows y'all the bad side of it. I'm getting a phone call right now. All right, we back in action, man. I had a phone call real quick, but I don't even remember what I was saying. But bro, we in the boonies, bruh. I don't know how people be finding houses in places like this, man. This is so off in the cut. I would never. If this wasn't my boy's crib, I promise you, I'd never come back here. Bro, look, if y'all look, it's no street lights. And we in the woods. I mean, there's some big ass houses back here for shit show, but black people in, ooh, let's go on the wrong side of the road. Illegal. Back to the okay then. Nah, them boys just caught me and said there was a cop that went through the neighborhood, so they told me to come through this bitch. Super smooth. Don't even worry about it, man. I'm coming through super smooth anyway. I stick out like a sore thumb. Literally. I don't look like nobody over this bit. Hey, nah. I'm sorry that we didn't get to turn up for real and cut up in traffic. We just got to listen to music and... But hey, man. Every day you can't act the fool. Sometimes you just got to handle your business. And when you get the opportunity, you know what I'm saying? Go butt crazy. You go butt crazy. Give y'all a little pull. Oh yeah. Back street. Gonna do too much because they said there was a cop down this bit. You know, them niggas is unruly these days, man. They not trying to hear nobody out. Ticket, you getting a ticket. Deal with that bitch in court. I don't care. You getting a ticket today. I don't care if you was doing it for a reason. So yeah, I try to stay away from them boys. Man, do y'all thing, man. Y'all got it. Leave me be. I'ma leave y'all be. I see y'all. I respect y'all. I don't want no problems. Yes, sir. No, sir. I know y'all looking like, where the fuck am I? But I be saying the same thing when I come back here. It's a church, though, so God back here with us. Caught right up there, man. He just the truck, the white truck. I seen it, and I was finna floor it down this road. Nah, we cool, man. It's all good. Well, no cap, we about to arrive at our destination. The wind picking back up. I ain't gonna lie, I appreciate y'all tagging along for this POV drive. I ain't really go that crazy today. But it's all good, man. You know how stuntman might be, man. We gonna wild out next time. Maybe not. But yeah, man. Finna pull up to the Cribbington. Hopefully my boys got their fire shit out. If they don't got their fire shit out, I'ma end the video as soon as I pull into the yard. But if they got that far shit out, then you know what I mean? We gonna fuck around with the far shit. But this thing done fell off my head 8 different ways, man. Keep bobbling and moving. I done hit my head on the ceiling. It is what it is, though. I said we was gonna rock out and listen to music, man. We listening to 2.5 songs. Not even. We listened to a song and a half. And I cut that right the fuck off. Oh, they ain't got no fire shit. They just outside. Alright, y'all, man. Thank y'all for tagging along, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Look at them boys. They already recorded, man. I ain't doing no... Yo!
That's hard from Stacy.